Hello, check, check.
For commencement of the proceedings,
Yes, please.
I request the Chairman, Karnataka State Bar Council to deliver the farewell address.
Honorable Shri Justice Vibhu Bakur, Chief Justice High Court of Karnataka, accompanying judges Bengaluru, Dharwad and Kalaburgi, Shri K. Shashikaran Shetty, Learned Advocate General for Karnataka, Shri K. Arvind Kamath, Additional Solicitor General, Shri Shanti Bhushan, Venkatesh Karekal and Sudhir Singh, Assistant Solicitor Generals, Learned Additional Advocate Generals, Shri Vinay B. Manglekar, Vice Chairman, Karnataka State Bar Council, Shri Y.R. Sadashiv Reddy, Co-Chairman, Bar Council of India, colleague members of the Karnataka State Bar Council, Srimati Mahalakshmi Nalle, Law Secretary, Government of Karnataka, Shri B.A. Bediyappa and Shri Vijay Kumar Majge, State Public Prosecutors, Shri B.N. Jagdish, Additional State Public Prosecutors, Shri K.S. Bharat Kumar, Registrar General of High Court of Karnataka, Learned Registrars and Judicial Officers, Srimati S. Nagasri, President, and G.V. Vijayanand, Vice President, Shri Raghavendra Shettigar, Secretary, Shri Veeresh Kumar C.K., Treasurer, Shri Nagaraj S., Joint Secretary, and Office Bearers of Karnataka State Judicial Officers Association, Office Bearers of the Advocates Association, Bengaluru, Dharwada, Kalaburgi, and Office Bearers of all other Advocates Association in Karnataka, Learned Senior Councils, family members of Hon'ble Shri Justice V.Kameswar Rao, learned members of the legal fraternity, ladies and gentlemen. We are present here this afternoon to wish Hon'ble Justice V.Kameswar Rao sweet adieu on the eve of his transfer as a Judge of High Court of Delhi after brilliant to a brief tenure of little over 1 year. Today we have assembled here to bid affection farewell to Hon'ble V.Kameswar Rao on his transfer as a Judge of the High Court of Delhi. With a mixed feeling, I am extended a affection farewell in the sense that is in irreparable loss to this Honorable High Court, including the State Judiciary. Honorable Shri Justice V.Kameswar Rao, you were born on 7th August 1965. You obtained BA in Geography subject and LLB degree from Delhi University in year 1987 and 1990 respectively. You were awarded certificate to merit for standing second in college in the year 1985-86. You enrolled as an advocate in March 1991 in Bar Council of Delhi. Your Godself practiced in the Supreme Court of India, Delhi High Court, Central Administrative Tribunal, Principal Bench, New Delhi. You also appeared in other high courts like at Madras High Court, Port Ballari Circuit Bench of Calcutta High Court. You practiced in all fields of law like service law, labor law, arbitration, constitution, and administrative law. You served various public sector undertaking, banks, autonomous bodies. You were member executive of the Central Administrative Tribunal, Bar Association Principal Bench, New Delhi. You were designated as a senior advocate by Delhi High Court in January 2010. You balanced service records, hard working, and the ability to take up responsibilities resulted in your being elevated as appointed as additional judge of High Court of Delhi in 17th April 2013 and as a permanent judge on 18th March 2015. Your Lordship has delivered a remarkable judgment in Delhi High Court which was continued in the same range before this Hon'ble High Court. Also, the judiciary of the High Court of Delhi will be very happy on your re-transfer to Delhi High Court. The legal fraternity of state of Karnataka were happy with your stay in Karnataka as a judge and acting chief justice of this Hon'ble High Court. With the members of the bar chairs of happy memories of your stay in our state. With your stay in Karnataka, we do believe that you have developed of foundations of Karnataka, the bar and the bench. One wishes your Godself had a longer innings as judge so that each and everyone could have benefit by your great qualities, equipment and experience as well as now farewells are painful and unbelievable, painful, practicable in the outgoing person is too good to be lost. Lastly, on behalf of Karnataka State Bar Council and on my own behalf, I once again thank you, Godself, for accepting our invitation and visiting the office of Karnataka State Bar Council and expressing your suggestions of the development of advocates profession particulars. I once again offer on behalf of the Karnataka State Bar Council and the entire legal fraternity in the state, I heartfully and affectionately farewell to you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
I request Honorable Chief Justice to deliver the farewell address.
My esteemed sister and brother judges of High Court of Karnataka, Delhi, Allahabad, and Kerala who are present here, family members of Honorable Shri Justice V.Kameswar Rao, Mr. Shashikaran Shetty, Learned Advocate General, Mr. Arvind Kamath, Additional Solicitor General of India, Mr. Shanti Bhushan, Deputy Solicitor General of India and other central government advocates, Mr. Mittalkut, Chairman, Mr. Sadashiv Reddy, Co-Chairman, Mr. Vinay Manglekar, Vice Chairman, and other members of the Karnataka State Bar Council, Mr. Vivek Subba Reddy, President, Mr. Praveen Gowda, General Secretary, Mr. Girish Kumar, Vice President, Srimati Shweta Ravi Shankar, Treasurer, and other office bearers of the Advocates Association, Bengaluru, Mr. Beliappa and Mr. Vijay Kumar Majage, State Public Prosecutors, Additional Advocates General, and other government advocates, Srimati Prabha Murthy, President, Indian Federation of Women's Lawyers, and other office bearers, Founder President, All India Federation of Women's Lawyers and other office bearers, President, Karnataka Federation of Women Lawyers and other office bearers, learned senior advocates, and other learned members of Advocates Association, Bengaluru, learned senior advocates from Delhi, Allahabad, and Kerala, Registrar General, registrars, and other officers of the High Court, judicial officers, ladies and gentlemen, Yelarigu Namaskara. Good afternoon to you all. Today we gather here not merely to bid a farewell, but to express our profound respect, deep appreciation, and heartfelt gratitude to an exceptional jurist, a gentleman of extraordinary grace, and a dear brother, Shri Justice V. Kameswar Rao, as he proceeds on transfer to resume his duties at his parent High Court in Delhi. This is indeed a moment of deep sentiments for Karnataka High Court. I'm informed that during his short yet impactful tenure here, Brother Justice Kameswar Rao left a remarkable impression, not only through his valuable contributions to the development of jurisprudence, but also through the warmth of his character, the depth of his insight, and the dignified manner in which he carried out his judicial and administrative duties. His transfer is more than a routine judicial development. It signifies the departure of a distinguished leader who guided this court with poise and distinction during his tenure as a judge and the acting Chief Justice. It has been my esteemed privilege to have been associated with Brother Justice Kameswar Rao during our tenure at the Delhi High Court. As I stand here today, I do so with a profound sense of continuity, deep professional respect, and sincere personal regard for a jurist whose illustrious career has been steadfastly characterized by unremitting diligence, exceptional legal intellect, and above all, an enduring commitment to integrity and justice. Brother Justice Kameswar Rao was born on 7th August 1965. His formative years were shaped by pursuit of academic excellence. He completed his Bachelor's of Art Honours in Geography from Delhi University in the year 1987, and thereafter obtained his LLB degree also from Delhi University in 1990. During his undergraduate studies, his outstanding performance earned him a Certificate of Merit for securing the second position in his college in the academic year 1985-86, a testament to his intellectual rigor and commitment even at a young age. Enrolled as an advocate with the Bar Council of Delhi in March 1991, Justice Rao commenced his legal practice in the capital city. His areas of practice reflected both breadth and depth, spanning constitutional law, service law, labor law, arbitration and administrative law. He appeared regularly before the Supreme Court of India, Delhi High Court, Central Administrative Tribunal, New Delhi. His practice was not confined to Delhi alone. He appeared in various other high courts as well. Justice Rao represented several public sector undertakings, banks, autonomous bodies, always marked by his clarity, preparation, and professionalism. He also served as a member executive of the Central Administrative Tribunal Bar Association, playing an active role in the legal community. In recognition of his deep knowledge and mature advocacy, the Delhi High Court designated him as a senior advocate in January 2010, a richly deserved acknowledgement of his standing at the bar. Brother Justice Kameswar Rao was elevated to the bench of the Delhi High Court as an additional judge on 17th April 2013 and was confirmed as a permanent judge on 18th March 2015. His judicial work in the Delhi High Court reflected his scholarly grasp over the law, combined with pragmatic understanding of the issues before him. Whether it was service jurisprudence or constitutional matters, labor disputes or administrative decisions, his judgments bore the hallmark of fairness, clarity, and judicial discipline. He had an unwavering focus on ensuring that justice was not only done, but seen to be done, often explaining complex legal reasoning in lucid and accessible language. As a judge of the Delhi High Court, he was widely respected for his deep understanding of the service and labor law areas that affect vast sections of working population. His balanced approach ensured that while the rights of the employees were safeguarded, the operational needs of institutions were also acknowledged. That rare sense of proportion and fairness defined his judicial personality. He had a rare ability to bring people together, whether it was at the bench, in the corridors of the court, or through administrative responsibilities. His commitment to improving institutional efficiency and legal infrastructure was visible in his involvement in several key committees and policy decisions during his tenure in Delhi. On 30th May 2024, Brother Justice Rao was transferred to the High Court of Karnataka. He joined this institution with a solemn sense of duty that always marked his judicial career. And here in a new jurisdiction, among new colleagues, with a new bar and different legal traditions, he adapted seamlessly and began serving with his characteristic dedication. He guided this court through crucial phase, maintaining both judicial productivity and administrative cohesion. He was accessible to the bar, considerate towards his colleagues, and meticulous in court management. Under his brief but effective stewardship, several structural and administrative improvements were initiated. His interactions with the member of the bar reflected empathy, understanding, and respect for the tradition, all while keeping the larger mission of justice delivery at the core. He made it a point to engage with the district judiciary, recognizing that the vitality of the justice systems lies in the strength of its grassroots. His concern for judicial infrastructure, training, and well-being of officers was never perfunctory. He advocated for a system improvement with quiet but firm resolve. The legal profession is often defined by brilliant arguments, landmark decisions, or celebrated judgments, but a true judge's legacy is also measured by how they upheld the dignity of their office, how they treated those before them, and how they inspired trust in the judicial process. By that measure, Justice Kameswar Rao's legacy is a distinguished and a lasting one. His judgments are marked by clarity of thought, sound reasoning, and deep sense of justice. He combined restraint with resolve and scholarship with simplicity, a combination that is rare and admirable. In both Delhi and Karnataka, he was known for his courteous courtroom demeanor, his patience with younger advocates, and his emphasis on substance over show. It is not often that a Chief Justice has the privilege of delivering a farewell to someone who was not only a colleague but also his predecessor. My own journey from Delhi High Court to Karnataka High Court has paralleled, in a way, Justice Rao's. But while I have newly arrived, he leaves behind a trail of wisdom, continuity, and cohesion. On behalf of all judges of this court, the members of the bar, the registry, and indeed the entire judicial family of Karnataka, I extend to you our warmest regards, our deepest appreciation, and our very best wishes for your continued service in the Delhi High Court. The people of Delhi are indeed fortunate to have you return to their midst. However, here in Karnataka, you will always be regarded as one of our own. Transitions are inevitable in judicial life, but each departure also reminds us of enduring values that bind the judiciary and the shared commitment to justice, the continuity of institutional memory, and the bonds of fraternity that transcends courts and regions. As you return to your parent court, Justice Rao, know that you leave behind not just a chair vacated, but a legacy cherished. May your tenure in Delhi continue to reflect your ideals, and may you find joy in the work that lies ahead. Thank you and farewell with great affection and even greater respect. Jai Hind and Jai Karnataka.
Thank you.
Now I request Honorable Justice V.Kameswar Rao to give reply to the farewell address.
Honorable the Chief Justice, Justice Vibhu Bakru, my esteemed sister and brother judges of the High Court of Karnataka, Delhi, Allahabad, and Kerala, family members of the Chief Justice, Justice Vibhu Bakru, Justice Dinesh Kumar Singh, and Justice Jayant Banerjee, my family members and friends, Mr. Shashi Kiran Shetty, Learned Advocate General, Mr. Arvind Kamath, Additional Solicitor General of India, Mr. Shanti Bhushan, Deputy Solicitor General of India, Learned Additional Advocate Generals, State Public Prosecutors and other government advocates, Mr. Mittal Kaur, Chairman, Mr. Vinay Manglekar, Vice Chairman, and other members of the Karnataka State Bar Council, Mr. Sadashiva Reddy, Co-Chairman, Bar Council of India, Mr. Vivek Subbareddy, President, Mr. Praveen Gowda, General Secretary, Mr. Girish Kumar, Vice President, Srimati Shweta Ravi Shankar, Treasurer, and other office bearers of the Advocates Association, Bengaluru, Mr. Biliappa, Mr. Vijay Kumar Majage, State Public Prosecutors, Additional Advocate Generals, and other government advocates, Srimati Prabhamurthy, President, Indian Federation of Women Lawyers and other office bearers, Founder President, All India Federation of Women Lawyers, Bengaluru, and other office bearers, the President of the Karnataka Federation of Women Lawyers, Bengaluru, and other office bearers, learned senior advocates, and other learned members of the Advocates Association, Bengaluru, learned senior advocates and advocates from Delhi, Allahabad, and Kerala, the Registrar General, the registrars, and other officers of the High Court, judicial officers, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening to all and Ellargu Namaskara. It's an honor to be before you all today, though with a tinge of bittersweet emotion, as I prepare to return to my High Court in Delhi. It is a unique occasion today. My memory goes back to 17th April 2013, when Chief Justice Vibhu Bakru and I took oath as the judges of the Delhi High Court. We never expected that a day would come, that is 19th of July 2025, when Justice Bakru, as the Chief Justice, and I would be sitting together in the Court Hall number 1 of the Karnataka High Court, and Chief Justice Bakru bidding me farewell to me on my repatriation to the Delhi High Court. This occasion is also unique because of confluence of judges from Karnataka High Court, Delhi High Court, Kerala High Court, and Allahabad High Court, and also for the presence of the senior advocates and other advocates from Karnataka, Kerala, and Allahabad. I am deeply touched by the generous and kind words spoken about me by the Honorable the Chief Justice and Mr. Mittal Court, Chairman, Karnataka Bar Council. It has been just over 1 year and a month since I was transferred from my parent High Court, Delhi, to this august institution, the High Court of Karnataka. During this time, I also had the privilege of serving as the acting Chief Justice for more than a month and a half. It has been indeed both an honor and a privilege to be part of this High Court. These 14 months have passed as swiftly as an autumn breeze, but they have left behind rich experiences and lasting memories. I have had the pleasure of working closely with my esteemed colleagues on the bench, interacting with the dedicated subordinate judiciary and the vibrant and learned members of the bar, and the ever-supportive staff of the High Court. My previous tenure as a judge of Delhi High Court was immensely enriching, but my time here in the Karnataka High Court has been particularly special. I have always maintained and continue to believe that this is one of the finest high courts in the country. To the people of Karnataka who received me with affection, I say this: I never once felt like an outsider. I take with me beautiful memories of your warmth, your culture, and the honor of serving your state. My time here at the Karnataka High Court has been incredibly enriching chapter in my judicial career, and I want to express my heartful gratitude to everyone who made it so memorable. I thank the Advocates Association Bengaluru. Your dedication and your unwavering commitment to justice have been a constant source of inspiration. The discourse in the court has not only sharpened my own understanding of the law, but has also ensured that justice is dispensed with utmost fairness. The camaraderie and respect you have shown me has made every day in the court a rewarding experience. The work atmosphere in the Karnataka High Court is truly exceptional, a shared commitment to upholding the law, and a robust spirit of collaboration. I will carry the lessons and experiences gained here with me always. Beyond the courtroom, Karnataka and particularly Bengaluru has captured a special place in my heart. The vibrant culture, the warm hospitality of its people, and the beautiful landscapes have made my stay here truly delightful. Bengaluru, with its dynamic energy, its beautiful gardens and delicious cuisine, has been a joy to experience. Serving as the Executive Chairman of the Karnataka State Legal Services Authority has been a distinct honor and a deeply enriching experience. I have been privileged to receive consistent guidance and encouragement from Honorable Srimati Justice B.V. Nagaratna, Judge, Supreme Court of India, and the Guardian Judge of the Karnataka State Legal Services Authority. I am equally privileged to receive support and guidance and motivation from Honorable Shri Justice Arvind Kumar, Judge, Supreme Court of India, and also Honorable the Chief Justice, Justice N.V. Anjarya, as his lordship then was. The role of the Executive Chairman of the Karnataka State Legal Services Authority goes far beyond administrative responsibilities. It embodies a strong commitment to public service and social justice. The authority serves as a vital institution in ensuring access to justice, particularly for the underprivileged and vulnerable sections of the society. In this role, I have had the privilege of leading key initiatives, including the conduct of Lok Adalats, promotion of legal awareness, enhancement of free legal and legal aid services, and the strengthening of the alternative dispute resolution mechanism throughout the state. In close coordination with NALSA, our efforts have consistently aimed at empowering the citizens with the knowledge of their legal rights and fulfilling the constitutional vision of equal justice for all. I had the privilege of sharing the bench with Justice Krishna S. Dikshit, the former judge of this court, Justice H.P. Sandesh, Justice Ashok S. Kinigiri, Justice R. Natraj, Justice M.I. Arun, Justice S. Vishwajit Sethi, Justice V. Shishananda, Justice Rachaya, Justice C.M. Joshi, Justice Rajesh Rai, Justice K.V. Arvind, Justice T.M. Nadaf. One uniqueness in my sharing the benches is this. I started my innings as a judge of this court sharing a bench with Justice C.M. Joshi. and also leaving this court while holding the bench with Justice C.M. Joshi. All my brother judges have made very valuable contribution for a decision in the case, for which I am ever grateful to them. I also shared administrative committees with my brother and sister colleagues. The list being large, I am not naming all the brother and sister judges who were part of the committees. Suffice to state, their contribution has been valuable for the committees to come to a just conclusion. As I move forward in my judicial career, I carry with me the lessons learned and the values imbibed and the friendships forged here. These will continue to guide my thoughts and actions in the days to come. As I prepare to embark on my next assignment, I will carry with me fond memories of time here, which includes my playing cricket at the nets and traveling with my colleagues to Coimbatore in a bus, and also discovering the hidden talents in my colleagues, some of whom are great singers. I would restrain myself naming them, as it is said, Raz ko Raz hi rehne do. I also take with me the fond memories of numerous meetings of the administrative committees, which were full of fun, lot of snacks, and considered decisions. I remain profoundly thankful to my respected senior Justice A.K. Sikri, former judge of the Supreme Court of India, for his steadfast guidance and invaluable support throughout the course of my professional journey. I also wish to express my heartfelt thanks to Mr. Bharat Kumar, Registrar General, Mr. Ravindra Hegde, Registrar Vigilance, Mr. Nagaraja, Registrar Administration, Srimati Saraswati Vishnu Kosandar, Registrar Judicial, Srimati Nagashri, Registrar Infrastructure and Maintenance, Mr. Venkatesh Hulgi, Registrar Review and Statistics, Mr. Sunil Shettar, Registrar Protocol, Mr. Manjunatha, Deputy Registrar, Mr. Sriram SDA, Mr. Naveen SDA of the Protocol Branch, Mr. Dinesh, Registrar Computers, Srimati Chandralekha, Registrar Recruitment, Mr. Deepak Patil, CPC, Mr. Mutalik, Member Secretary of High Court Legal Services Committee, Mr. Yashita, Deputy Secretary, Juvenile Justice Committee, Mr. Swami, PPS to the Honorable the Chief Justice, for their continued cooperation, support, and assistance in all endeavors. I also express my heartfelt thanks to Dr. Wahid Khan, Dr. Jayashila, the medical officers, for their timely support and guidance in taking care of health of myself and my family members. I extend my sincere gratitude to Mr. M.L. Raghunath, former Member Secretary of the Karnataka State Legal Services Authority, Mr. Shashidhar Shetty, present Member Secretary, Mr. Sridhara, Deputy Secretary, and Mr. Balasubramanian, Public Relation Officer of the Karnataka State Legal Services Authority, for the constant and wholehearted support at every stage. To the tireless staff of the Karnataka High Court, from my personal staff, Srimati Renukamba, Private Secretary, Srimati Padmavati, Court Officer, Mr. Prajwal, Additional PS, Supporting Staff, Srimati Saumya, Ms. Swapna, Mr. Babajan, Nagaraj, Ramesh, Ratish Kumar, Driver, Maltesh, Gunman, Anand Gowda, Shankar, Venkateshwar Rao, Gurushant, and all the judicial officers of the Karnataka State Judiciary, the medical and protocol teams, district judiciary, and everyone behind the scenes, my deepest appreciation. Your efficiency, your hard work, and your unwavering support have been the backbone of my tenure here. You have ensured the smooth functioning of this court, allowing us judges to focus on our primary duty, and for that, I am truly grateful. As a solemn moment of transition in my judicial journey, I remember my late mother, whose blessings are always with me. I dedicate every meaningful step in my life to my parents. Whatever I am today is a reflection of their values, sacrifices, and unwavering belief in me. I remain forever indebted to them. To my family, my wife, Srimati Gayatri Rao, and my son, V. Jayant Rao. Who have been who have been my rock throughout this journey. Yes, thank you for your constant understanding, support, and sacrifices. Moving to a new city and adapting to a different environment is never easy. But your love and encouragement made it feel like home. Your presence in my life and unwavering support has been my greatest pillar. I am really grateful to each of you for your presence on this occasion. You have made my day. You have also made my existence as a judge of Karnataka High Court. Thank you all for your kindness, your support, for making my tenure at the Karnataka High Court an unforgettable one. I wish the Karnataka High Court, the bar, and the people of Karnataka all the very best for the future. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. God bless all of you. Thank you very much. I'm sorry for all this. Thank you. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you.
I seek your Lordship's kind permission for concluding the proceeding. I request all the dignitaries to join for the high tea.
I'm married. It doesn't.